Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: ChatGPT and GUID partition table. I'm your host, and let's dive right in. First, let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT 3.5 architecture, designed to generate human-like text responses based on the given input. In simple terms, it's a highly sophisticated chatbot powered by artificial intelligence. ChatGPT has been trained on a vast amount of data from the internet, books, articles, and much more. It can understand context, respond intelligently, and even assist in various tasks like drafting emails, writing code, answering questions, and much more. It's a powerful tool that can mimic human conversation and assist users in a wide range of applications. Now, let's shift our focus to the GUID partition table, commonly known as GPT. GPT is a partitioning scheme used in modern computer systems to organize and manage hard disk drives or solid-state drives. Unlike the older master boot record (MBR) partitioning scheme, GPT offers several advantages. First, it supports larger drives, allowing for partitions bigger than 2 terabytes. Second, GPT provides more flexible and robust partitioning options, including support for up to 128 primary partitions. And third, it includes built-in redundancy with multiple copies of critical data structures, enhancing data reliability. The GPT structure consists of several elements, such as a protective MBR, a primary header, an array of partition entries, and a backup header at the end of the disk. Each partition entry contains information about a specific partition, including its type, size, and location. To work with GPT, you can use various partitioning tools, such as those built into operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. These tools allow you to create, modify, and delete partitions within the GPT scheme, making it easier to manage your storage devices. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful AI-based language model developed by OpenAI, capable of generating human-like text responses. It can assist users in various tasks and applications, making it a versatile tool. On the other hand, GPT, which stands for GUID partition table, is a modern partitioning scheme used to manage hard disk drives and solid-state drives. It offers several advantages over the older MBR scheme, including support for larger drives and improved data reliability. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyed learning about ChatGPT and GPT. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.